Hi guys, Carrie here. Welcome to Kodemine. So today the next topic is document detail and language option. So what is that? So if I go into the file option, and here I have different option into the file menu, that is document detail and the language. So we gonna discuss about that. And before starting this video, I just want the new viewer who are on my channel and not subscribed my channel yet, kindly subscribe my channel so that the notification of upcoming videos come directly to you. So please hit the subscribe button below this video, and hope you guys will subscribe my channel. So let's start with the video. So what is document detail? So if I click on the document detail, I will see a pop-up here with the document detail name, right? Location. So location is what is where is my file located into the Google Drive. So by default it is directly into the drive, right? I didn't create any folder to save my file. So right now it's displaying my drive. If I save my file into a folder, then it will show me a folder name here, my drive, then folder name, and if I have further folder, then it's name there. Then owner, who is the owner? Right now it's coming me here. It means that I am the owner of this file, right? For example, if someone shared this file with me and I have a role of editor, then the owner name will be that person name, right? And the next thing is modified, when this file last time modified. So 1:27 p.m. by me it has been modified, right? If I shared this file with someone and that person is done some changes here, then what will happen here is 1:27 p.m. by that person name will come here, right? So that is the meaning of modified. And created. Created means what was the time or on which date this file was created, right? So that is December 11 2020. So that is about the document details. So the next option which we are going to explain, that is the language. It's a very simple, and I don't think so it is much useful, because it's just a metadata information that you require to give a description about your file. For example, by default its language is English, US or a UK. So for example, if I want to change my language to my regional language, for example I want to change into the Punjabi, so it is just a information about the document, right? It's not a translation option or that kind of things. So it just give you the information that this kind of content, this kind of language has been used into this document. So I can revert back it to the English United Kingdom, right? So that is about the language option. So hope you guys understand these two topics, and if you guys like this video, please hit the like button and comment into the comment box, and do subscribe our channel if you guys not subscribe our channel. And thanks for watching. Have a very good day.